Hey folks, quick video. I just replaced the faucet in our bathroom in our travel trailer. This is the original faucet, which is really common in a lot of RVs and travel trailers and campers. It's a little plastic, very functional. The only issue with these, and if you have one like this, you know it's kind of short, low to the sink, makes it kind of tough. It's not the end of the world, but we decided to upgrade it with this Dura Faucet from RV Specialist, and we really are going to enjoy this just for the fact that it has it's a little bit more of a height advantage over the sink. And the reason for the video, because there's tons of videos out there on how to replace these, so it's pretty straightforward. But basically all you need is very little hand strength, and not even a pair of pliers this large, and possibly a flashlight. I just got the water back on the camper and turned it on, and there's no leaks. Very simple. It took about 30 minutes. I did have to remove the door from the cabinet, and also there is a panel in there that probably didn't have to come out, but it gave me just a little bit more elbow room in there. Little panel that protects the inverter and the fuse box, which is right there. But anyway, yeah, if you're thinking about changing it, your faucet to a little bit nicer faucet, or one that's a little bit easier to use, I would highly recommend it. You don't have to be a mechanically inclined at all to do it. Just be sure, you make sure that your width here is the same, and it's the PEX type threaded plastic threads for your nuts that are on your existing water source lines that are coming in. Just double check that. That can be a problem if you have residential stuff, which some of the higher end RVs have residential and not this. But anyway, just thought I'd share that with you. It's just a very simple proposition. Now this is not the nicest one you're ever going to see, but it is plastic. But then of course the original one is plastic as well, so it's not super high-end stuff. But anyway, yeah, it's just a very simple task to replace, and if you're thinking about doing it, I would surely recommend going for it. So alright, well, I appreciate you watching, and if you like my videos, just give me that thumbs up and click that like button. Alright, thank you and have a wonderful day.